Deep in the heart of the vibrant greenleaf jungle lived a young girl named Lila. Her family's home was on the outskirts of the jungle, and she spent her days exploring its wonders. One bright morning, Lila noticed something unusual. Birds chirped anxiously, and the monkeys seemed restless. She followed the sounds and discovered men in large machines marking trees with red paint. Confused, she ran home to ask her grandmother. "They're planning to cut down the jungle," her grandmother explained with a heavy sigh. "The trees will be sold, and the land will be cleared for farms." Lila's heart sank. The jungle was her sanctuary, her home, and the home of her animal friends. She couldn't let it disappear. That evening, Lila gathered her courage and called a meeting with the jungle animals. Beneath the wide branches of an ancient banyan tree, creatures of all sizes gathered. "They're going to destroy our jungle," Lila announced, her voice trembling but determined. "We have to stop them." The animals chattered nervously. "What can we do against their machines?" asked a timid deer. "We can't fight them," added a parrot. "But maybe we can show them why the jungle matters." Lila thought for a moment and then smiled. "Yes, we can. We'll show them that together we can spread the word and make people care." The next day, Lila began her mission. She painted banners that read, "Save Greenleaf Jungle and protect our home." She took photos of the jungle and its inhabitants and wrote letters to local leaders, schools. Parrots carried messages tied to their legs, monkeys delivered leaflets, and Tico carried. Lila's passion sparked something powerful. People began to listen. The village schools organized awareness drives, and a local artist painted a mural of Greenleaf Jungle, showing its vibrant life. One day, the men with machines returned, ready to begin their work. But they were met with an extraordinary sight. Hundreds of villagers and children stood hand in hand at the jungle's edge, holding banners. Behind them were the jungle animals, standing peacefully but resolutely. Tico trumpeted loudly, making the ground tremble. A representative from the logging company stepped forward. "What is the meaning of this?" Lila stepped forward, her small frame brimming with courage. "This jungle is not just a patch of trees, it's our home. It gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and life to cherish. Destroying it would harm not just us, but everyone." Her words, combined with the sight of the united people and animals, moved something in the hearts of the onlookers. News reporters who had come to cover the protest broadcasted the story far and wide. Under mounting pressure, the logging company agreed to halt their plans. The jungle's promise was fulfilled. It remained a thriving sanctuary, thanks to a brave girl and her determination to protect it. Lila's efforts became an example of how even the smallest voices can make a big difference when they speak for what's right. And Greenleaf Jungle continued to echo with the sounds of life, the chatter of monkeys, the songs of birds, and the triumphant trumpet of a young elephant named Tico.